Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you on how to boost your FPS, fix lag and stutter and crashes on Marvel Rivals. Before we do get into this video, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. Without any further ado, let's get straight to the video. So, the first thing that I'd recommend is by going and updating your graphics driver. To do that, go ahead and click on your trailer right over here, right click on your NVIDIA settings, click on NVIDIA app. Over here, click on drivers, and find the latest updated driver for your graphics card. Go ahead and download and install it. And once done, go ahead and restart your PC. And of course, go ahead and launch your game to see if the problem still persists. If it lags or stutters and crashes still, we have another solution. So the next solution is by going on your Steam, click your library, click on your game, click on properties right over here. And then over here is what you'll type on the launch options. So go ahead and type in dash dx11 space dash high space dash novid space dash steam no client. So go ahead and exit out and relaunch the game. And if it still stutters or any bugs, no worries, we have another solution. First, I'll show you here an image that I made so you won't be confused. Over here, just go ahead and full screen this. This will be your in-game settings. Now, I want you to go ahead and test the lowest graphics settings and disable unnecessary options for the highest FPS. Go ahead and test it out and make it higher like a stair, okay? The next thing you need to do is optimize your Windows settings, okay? To do that, you just have to enable all the settings that I'm going to mention. So, the first one is game mode. To locate game mode, just go ahead and exit out this one. Go ahead and type in on your Windows settings game mode, and it should be popping up right here. Go ahead and click on it, then turn it on. As you can see, it optimizes your PC for play. The next thing is graphic settings. It is actually inside game mode as well, but no worries. Again, on your menu, go ahead and type in graphic settings. Go ahead and go on it, and make sure to turn this on. It will ask you to restart your PC, and also add your game on your graphics performance preference. Just go ahead and click on browse. And as for me, there's Valorant over here. Go ahead and find your exe Win64 for your Marvel Rivals. Go ahead and add, and it should be fixed. Another thing we could do is just go ahead and close up any other apps on the background, but that will be easy. But anyways, on your Steam, go ahead and click on library, right click on your game, click on properties, click on installed files, and verify integrity of game files. This is especially if your game crashes a lot. This is the best fix for crashes. So go ahead and click on verify game files, and then wait for it to finish. Once done, relaunch your game. Again, make sure to update your GPU, do the launch option settings, lower your in-game graphics, and disable unnecessary features, turn on game mode and graphic settings. Make sure to put that in mind. And by the way guys, don't worry, here is the picture that I made for you guys to remember and even screenshot right over here. This will give you the smoothest FPS possible. So if you guys do enjoy the video and it helped you out, please leave a like on this video, subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Peace.